we get so focused sometimes on getting tasks done and doing things that we need to get done in order to earn a living, or to get things done around our own personal lives, that sometimes we forget that the impact that just being outside for a little bit the impact it can have on you. Because if you ask yourself, where do I want to go on a dream vacation? If you ask yourself, where have I had my best experiences in my life? A lot of you are going to say it's in nature. Somehow nature was involved. It's in our nature to be in nature. Everything around us, whether it's plastic, whether it's metal, it comes from nature. We ourselves have evolved, and only recently, in recent history, in the past 500 years, have really become urban, right? So it's in our DNA to be outside, and our minds still long to be outside. Follow that instinct, right? And make 2 breaks a day, 10 minutes, to just spend time outside. Take your dog for a walk. Just sit outside and do nothing. If you can do that, it's proven. They did a happiness study in the UK, and how nature impacts happiness and well-being. And they found that magic number, which is anywhere between 2 hours and 5 hours a week spent in nature. Didn't mean you had to be riding a bike or exercising, and just spent time outside in nature. People who spent 2 hours or more in nature, up to 5 hours, ended up being and feeling 20% healthier than the people who weren't. So just that feeling, if you feel you're healthier, you are healthier, right? And 60% happier, right? I'll take a 20% bump on feeling healthier any day. I'll take a 60% on happiness any day, right? Heck, I'll take a 10% bump on anything. If I can improve my performance 10%, I'll take that. So just being outside for 2 hours a week will improve your well-being and your happiness. Just do that, and realize that we've also trained ourselves not to be outside, and this is why there's this conflict. So anytime you're feeling upset, frustrated, anxious, depressed, lonely, go outside. Just be there and watch the trees, watch the fish, watch the waterfall, listen, use your senses, and you're going to find that automatically. And sometimes I like to use automagically because there is scientific reason for it, but it soothes the soul. The wind soothes the soul. The sound of leaves soothes the soul. The water soothes the soul. Watching these goldfish in these koi in these ponds soothes the soul. So do more of it.